Hey, Lynn, after the last fight, last September, Floyd said that his performance was that of a C-. What kind of performance can we expect to see from him May 2nd?
Well, me and him had this discussion recently. He's a very strong critic of himself because he demands perfection.
Right.
You know, he not only demands perfection of his performance, he demands perfection of his business and everything he's involved with. You know, that's just, he's a perfectionist.
Right, right.
And so that is a tremendous attribute, I think, for him to have, because he's had perfection as it relates to his boxing career, and that's what he expects. You know, when he has a not so great day in the gym, he's hard on himself.
Right.
But those kind of expectations have evolved him into the man he is today.
Right.
And his perfection in the ring, and he expects nothing but the best from his performances. You know, when he steps into that square circle.
Right.